Welcome in, guys. Welcome to Crypto Climate, our informative cryptocurrency videos. Jay here with you guys today. Let's immediately get right into the content, guys. Let's start off with the Bitcoin Fear and Greed Index at that 51 neutral level, guys. No longer in fear. We're moving on up, guys. Yesterday we were at 45, last week at 31. So what a jump to 51 to that neutral level. We always were talking about the 20 level as the support, the 47 level as that resistance, and we've pierced through, guys, and now we're consolidating before possibly moving on up. The trend has shifted, at least in the short term, guys, but these are pivotal changes. These are the small things that you look at, fear and greed and the charts that we're going to review today, that they communicate to us this type of analysis of what is the intention of the market, where does it stand, and things of that nature, guys. So we breached that 47, which was the previous pivot high. We're making a higher high now, guys. So the markets are looking good. Bitcoin Fear and Greed Index is looking really good right now, just consolidating sideways above the previous pivot high. Man, let's see if it holds, and then if it continues towards that greed, on the Fear and Greed Index, guys. Moving on to Bitcoin's price, guys. Look at that, $21,915, near that $22,000 mark, guys. Wow, we're catching the pump right as we record this video. Look at that. So much bullishness. What a green, bullish, positive candle for Bitcoin today, right under that $22,000 mark. Wow. The markets are looking green. They're looking bullish. They're looking nice, just like most of us like it, guys. Look at that, piercing through that 21,510 key resistance level that we've been talking about now for about a week. Just that key level, we saw clear resistance here. And now, we see the pierce through, for Bitcoin. We do see the indicators attempting to resell a little bit, still a little bit overbought, if we can see here, the RSI, the stochastic RSI, things of that nature. But, overall, we do see that bullishness coming back into the markets, as we see on the daily chart. On the weekly, we do see this green, bullish weekly candle as well. After this massive candle, this is going to be the confirmation candle above all these key resistance lines and above the 20-week moving average as well, guys. So we're gonna see a lot of bullishness coming into the market. Look at that candle. Wow. 25K is that next pivotal resistance line right here. Let's actually draw right here real quick right there. That's gonna be let's see, this is TA on the fly, guys. TA on the fly right there. Boom. So that $25,185 mark is going to be that next key resistance level on the weekly chart. So we're going to stay tuned. We're going to keep you guys informed to see how Bitcoin is going to react, in the next couple of weeks. But strong, just a lot of bullishness, a lot of momentum, a lot of volatility back into the markets. It's a beautiful thing, really. It is, guys. Moving on to the Bitcoin dominance. Just as we talked in last episode, we do see that we're at, in this ascending channel here, and we're right at the top. Yesterday's candle, we see a little bit of wick, a little bit of resistance, and we're right at the top right now. A lot of bullishness in the Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin showing a lot of strength over the altcoins, even though some of them are pumping as well. But we have to wait and see. The next resistance, if it pierces through the top of the ascending channel, is that 44% Bitcoin dominance. So stay tuned, guys. If you enjoy this informative content, make sure you guys like the video. It helps the algorithm and other people find our great channel with great cryptocurrency content. Also, subscribe, just a click away. Click on the notification bell to stay tuned for our fresh off the press videos. And we also have something free for you guys, free educational videos, just a click away. Link in the description below. You click, you have a playlist here with dozens and dozens of cryptocurrency educational videos. You get a pen, a pencil, and paper, and you dig in and you can educate yourselves for free, guys. Moving on to Bitcoin, BTC the king. On the weekly, we see for the past 7 days up 13.10%. Wow, just a lot of green, a lot of bullishness into the markets, just under that $22,000 mark. And then here, we do see that is up about 4% in the last 24 hours. Volume is going up 10% at $24 billion, that 24-hour volume. Market cap above $400 billion as well, up 4% as well. A lot of bullishness, guys. A lot of people feel like we're in a bull market, or at least the inklings of a start of one. The first thing is a higher high, from this downtrend here, which, it seems that we're forming right now, if you ask me. So then if we get above that 25K, and we close weekly bodies above here, then, To me, that's going to be that first run up, to start a bull market. Then we expect the pullback, as that last opportunity, that last chance to get in, in the next couple of months. And then, the start and the beginning of a beautiful multi-year bull market, guys. If you enjoy this content, don't forget to like, to sub if you haven't done so already. Link in the description below to our website. Great investment tools and resources for you guys. Thank you so much for your time, for your support, for your attention. And I hope you guys have a good one.